This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kelly Tucker. Bright, airy and elegant end-unit townhouse. Completely updated and move-in ready. Kitchen has new quartz countertops, new tiled backsplash, freshly painted cabinets, new GE stainless steel appliances. Primary bedroom has large ensuite bathroom. New carpeted stairs lead to large third floor with newly installed LVP flooring and provides a myriad of options for an office, gym, studio plus a bedroom. Freshly painted inside and out. Plantation shutters and wainscoting throughout, gas fireplace with new logs. French doors lead to the professionally landscaped private courtyard. Guest house over garage can be rented annually. Enjoy easy living close to beach, restaurants, pool, tennis/pickleball courts. For more information, review the details below.